All right. All right. So as I thought, today we'll continue with the exercises of data and AI one. This is gonna be creating a project with, the grading tables as a puzzle. Okay, it's coming. Moving on to week 7, week 8 project. I have not seen this project before, so it's my first time as well. All right. Okay. Now let's see what do we have here in the prior project. All right. In this prior project, we have week 6 exercises on creating tables. Okay, these are the tables. You can see. Oh, too much table. Oh, E. Oh, okay. Assignment of the following pages, you find a description of 10 tables being part of the student administration database. Up to you to grade them now. Always have a primary key necessary reference keys, key result above. Provide these constraints, which tells the number of columns must be filled in nullable is no. Right? Provide the necessary and constraint for this. Some attributes have restrictions. Write correct constraints for them. Trace sequence which variables a foreign key can only refer to table that already exist. Or what? So I would like to see what is the table. Have the zip code. Instructors lives in the city, alright. Have PK. Also the FK from the zip. So we grade the zip table first. Oh, let's see. Student also lives in the zips. This also zip. Enrollments, make the enrollments with student ID, the section, student ID section, and the enrollments. They both need the students and section. Section is the part of course. So the section has the course. Oh, the course is the FK, right? Okay. Great conversion. All right, nothing here. Grace. From students and sections, so you have both of them first. And then grade type ways in have section ID, grade type code, which is from the grade types. So it's also primary key. Okay, so to create a table, we need to drop it, but as I do not have the resource, so just creating them. Create table zip code first. All right. I think it's fine to put it like this. Zip codes. All right. It looks it's kind of difficult to see. Okay. That's much better to see what's happened here. Create the table. So the today task only printing on week 6, right? What is here? Create table zip code. It has the zip. So we have zip. Oh, sorry, got together. PK primary key. What is description? I need this description also. Zip code description. What is the zip? There is. So we add city. Oh, I forgot the syntax. What? What can we do to create a table? So look at this. Yeah, the variable names, the data type, and the constraint. Add constraint. All right. Okay. So in the city, the location is varchar 25. Okay. Next, does it have anything? I will change to see the constraint later state. Okay, created by the user in was created by mod voucher 2. Next, created by. Okay, I think we just created the tables first. Based on this, voucher 30. Creative date. Modify by. Modify date. Okay, finally the zip. Next, we need to add the data type varchar30 and copy this. Next, the date varchar30. Finally, date. Zip unique for location and state. Oh, the location of this adult column indicates date of insert. Last date of last update, right? So it has constraint unique. So we get the constraint unique. Zip. Um, unique. Right. Sorry, it's not here. All right. So okay, it contains the table already included. Next, after creating the table, we have student. Zip codes, right? Student. Okay, is here. Salutation. Print table. Students. Okay, what is here? We have salutation. Next, we have first name. Last name, of course. Street address. All right. Just typing things. It's kind of boring. Zip. Okay. Phone. Employer. Registration day. The most boring things. Created by, created the modified day, modified by. Okay, so there are only the things that we can copy from here. Okay, it's nice. Vacha, okay, copy this. Then move on to the salutation. The student name title is Vacha. Next, first name is also Vacha 25. As well as this one. Street address Vacha 50. Alright. Zip Vacha 5. Okay, it's nice. Next, the phone number for the student, including area code, is Vacha but 15. Employer, the name of the company where a student is employed, Vacha 50. Okay. The registration is the date. All right. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Student ID. Oh, I forgot the primary key, right? Okay. You need a new constraint for this. Oh, how can I check it? Because it need to be. It need to be update, not this one. Just check that how it works. It had the colon 7, right? Zip is okay. It has this one. Is could be the um unique also primary key. Yeah, student ID finally. This should have unique. So I will have numeric 8 and then constraint pk student ID. All right, primary key. Also constraint fk. I usually do if it's in the student table. I usually make that type the variable first and then the table second, or some links with the table like this to make this clear. Is references to reference zip char from the table preferences with student. All right. Already exist. Really, I forgot how to work with the foreign key, so I would ask how to write syntax. Right. Maybe this one. I think so. Let's hope we have already we have been right. Wait a minute. Right. Still not having But today I have cereals. That's my favorite, so I'm okay. Milk. I don't know why I put just chopsticks with this. Okay, constraint. Oh, it will be at the final phase. Oh, the thing is that I forgot to get a foreign key. Alright, but which one is gonna be zip code? Alright, zip, okay. Zip. This one is called big zip codes and zip as well. Oh yeah, why do I write? Why? How can I write these things? Stupid things. Understand this zip jar constraint with code zip is the table. So today is going to be table students and zip. Frequently we write the FK based on the tables. From student to zip table is we have the foreign key zip, which is zip. References to the table zip codes with the zip. Alright, syntax error. As we can see, can we put it in the final things. Okay, relation students already exist. Wait a minute, is there any students? All right, there is students before. The thing is that I need to delete this table if it's exist. Drop table if exist students cascade. All right, and then do this, and then now let's check it once again. Students. All right, it's here. It have a foreign key. Okay, good. Next, we have instructors create table. We call instructors, right? I do not remember where is this project set. Okay, this one. Move on to instructors. Courses. Mm, just check the course. Okay, the course here. Oh, it has stuff join. I suppose that prerequisite. It's a prerequisite of course, no, right? I mean, the course have many prerequisites. All right. So it's still the FK2, self-join. Course, no description, cost. Okay, course. It is also FK, which is the well, all in prerequisite is still FK of the table. Course, no is PK. How can I write self-join? Right, just check out. Okay, create a self-join table skill. Okay, sorry, integrating, but still okay. Now next, move on to our section before instructors, right? We can still get it later. Where's instructors? I'm finding them. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's here. I love this one rather than four things. Salutation, zip code, first name, last name. Oh, it's kind of the same. Haha. First name, women. Vacha 5, first name 5, 25, 25, 50, 5, 50, 30, 30, which is created by date. 30 date, numeric 8. Good. It's kind of worth doing. This also have a zip. Okay. It's easy to do this. We do not have employer, right? And so it doesn't have the registration date. This one is called instructor ID. Call this. All right. PK instructor ID for primary key. And then zip code zip. This one is instructor. All right. If there is any check again once again the diagram, if there is FK, no, okay, it's only zip. All right, finish the first three tables. There are also 7-1. Okay, section of courses. Oh, we need to do the course right now. We have a course, no peak. Just look at this course. It has an FK prerequisite. Prerequisite is just based on itself. Also, yes, nothing to be do here. Here is just to answer this. Create tables, not to know major ID friend. All right, it's just like this one, nothing different from. So yeah, I can do it. And we just shall do it right now. It's not look like select courses. Right. Description. Okay. Yeah. Next, cost. Prerequisite. Okay, again, this four things. I do not know why, but they are every needs that every it contains every time. The course known as the primary key constraint of the numeric 8. Right. And the constraint PK. Primary key. Cause no constraint. Yeah, this one is okay. Next, I need the constraint FK core course. Prerequisite course is much better, I think. But yes, I will do the prerequisite code. I usually do the thing that is a foreign key called to the table it links to. So yeah, we'll call this like this. Prerequisite, which is this one, and we'll link to the course. Like I did before, the instructor is in this table, and then oh gosh, I need to. It's okay. And the instructor link to the zip, and the person link to the course. Call a foreign key, which is prerequisite. right? Prerequisite. Prerequisite or prerequisite. Next, references to what? References to the course. To the course, no. Okay. Next, to the only things need to do is to complete this. Varchar full name, alright. Cost is numeric. What is 92 mean? It means that the actually maximum of 7 or 9 characters or 9 digits. And 2 is like there can be 2 digits after the comma, like 9.15, 9.13. It cannot be 9.123, for instance. This will not work. Prerequisite is number 8. Okay, this one, okay. All course did not exist. Relation course does not exist. Oh, do I write course or courses? All right. Next table, it will call. Oh, it has the content here. Okay, that's it. Section. Look at the diagram section. It has a FK instructor ID. Oh, it's okay. Nothing much, right? Well, nothing here now. No. Section no. Start date time. Location. Instructor ID. Capacity. Section ID. I will call it PK. So it is numeric 8. Constraint. PK. Section ID. Primary key. All right. It had a constraint. Oh my gosh, too much thing to do. All right, it has a constraint that is course no, which is the foreign key, and the instruct ID. So FK, it is a course. Mm. Link the table sections with the table course. Foreign key, which is this one is the course no, right? And then references, courses, course no, right? Next one, the constraint of K, which is Instructor, section 2 instructor. It's based on your idea of creating the variable names. You can call anything you want. For me, I usually let, for key, we will write FK like the abbreviation, and then with FK, I will write the table to the this table and to another table, which is it refers to. Actually, sometimes it have an else, a final, but I do not write. It's okay. It's based on you. So no, so it's fine. Instructor ID. References to instructor. Oh, it's not sections. Sometimes it's wrong. Right. And then finish this course no. FK. We have add this right. Section no also numeric 3. Starting time date. Location is varchar 15. Instructor ID is numeric 8. Capacity numeric 3. Okay, that's it. All right, next we have tables. Let's check if it works right now. We have table sections. Foreign keys 2, keys 1. All right. So yeah, it's okay. It works. Next, the table instructors. Foreign keys 1, columns 11. It has zip and instructor ID. Foreign key instructor to zip. Okay. Course. Courses. Column key foreign key 1, which is based on the prerequisite itself. Prerequisite is key foreign key to the course no. The courses. Okay, it works. It goes well. Okay, create table next. We will have table maximum number of students in course section, location as well, enrollments. We have student ID, section ID as composite. Oh, I forgot to write a composite key. Oh, why is the cap sometimes it did not work well? Foreign key. Price decimal primary key. Oh, it means like we have the primary key and we get them in together. It's okay. All right. Now continue. We will finish it soon. Only 5 tables left in Romans. Next, this enroll date, final grade, Will it be fine if we have these things? Final rating. Does it really make sense if right here? Student ID. We have section ID. Next, come to this, we have date. Final grade is numeric 3. All right, student ID is numeric 8. This one is also numeric 8. Next, we have a constraint, which is the foreign key, right? Which form enrollments. Maybe I will enrollment sometimes. It's okay, student. Foreign key, which is student ID, references, student ID. All right. Okay, enrollment. This one is called section ID. References to what we call intersection. That is more, let's kind of more with this. Right. And then we got a primary key, right? We have that is called student and then section. All right. That's all. Oh, it works after the SLA. Let's check is table enrollments keys, which in enrollments P key, or is both. I mean, now can we rename this? PK, like PK, I mean, it calls, sorry, it means enrollments underscore PK. All right. On third table, I will change name because I think it's suitable for me, which is enrollments. All right. Enrollments. All right. Let's check. Here is PK enrollment now. All right. Maybe it's Ah, it's look like the what we do before. Right. Okay, next we call next task. Grades. Grade types, grade type weights, and grade conversions. And you have to remember that we need to do the grade type first. It had the grade type code, which is extremely crucial. So I'll create a table for the grade type first. Okay, that has the description, and then Control V. All right, and then final thing is the grade type code. It seems like it takes a lot of time typing all of these things, right? Chart two. Does it have any Unicode which okay it's unique. So I would check if there is anything on both these four things. Grade type is PK, concerning to zero to many grade type ways, gives info of 1 0 to many grades, and then we have changed to grade conversions. Description PK, FK, 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 a lot of FK. Grade conversions only have but it matches with so we have and our goods process will come from the grid type first. All right, we have the constraint, which is PK, grid type code. All right, the constraint with primary key. All right, it has description varchar 50. Is there anything here wrong? Nothing yet. Oh, mm, okay, looks good. Next, we create table. All right, table what? Grid type weight, right? Grid type weight. Okay, good. And this, have this, which what is there in the grade type weights? Okay, it is number per section. Next, we have percent of final grade. Next, we have drop lowest. Oh, seriously, it takes a long time to do all of this. Why is too much 10 tables? Fuck, hate doing this. Being data analyst is Michelle. I'm fine. Next to the grade type code, maybe I should copy things rather than typing this all time. It's such a problem. Um, I need to work smarter, right? Grade conversion, isn't it? I do not remember. Oh, Greece, right? If I re- if if I remember right, it is this. Every table have this, so just put it here. Then just copy. Wait a minute. What copy what? Section ID numeric? No, not need to copy here. I have section ID, which is numeric 8. And then we have create type code. Oh yeah, it's wrong, but this is okay. We can copy and put it in the correct table. Correct. Wait. Yeah, it's good. Chart 2. All right. Then copy this. Control C. This table work, right? Isn't it? Already exists. Okay. All right. Number per section is numeric 3. Next, we have numeric 3 also. Drop lowest is char. Lowest grade, blah, 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 section T, the percentage, okay, and column number, okay. Unix section code, which identifies a category of grade. And this one, we have primary key, which is we add the constraint called unnamed pk grade type weight, which are often used for the composite key of the table. If it's composite key, you can use this for the table of one is section ID, and then the second one is grade type code right. And I need this constraint, which is called fk of this, or the name table is kind of long. I'll copy this. It's long, but this I think it's okay. To the table section, called foreign key is not a good way to make the name. It's extremely long. Sometimes we can make an abbreviation with like GTP. If there's nothing, yeah, which is I suppose that we do not need to write a section ID here because we have this section ID before. Before that, the above we do not need, we write a constraint in a separate method, so it's different. Just check if I delete this. We work. Yeah, it works better. I think. Just try if it works or not. It is in the grade types. Grade type. think that I finished this is around 9 or 10. Fuck, too much. Don't remember if it is correctly this one, but just try. Foreign, right? So I need to do it once. All right, it works here. So when we create a foreign key, we must do it in a separate method, right? Okay, works. Nice. 2-1 rate conversion increase. Okay, I'm waiting for this. If all the table is working and we can come to next, this is kind of extremely bored. Grace. All right. Grace, numeric grade commands. Oh, four things. Too much. I hate. But if like I can need to write a lot of things, it will be not a really nice way. I suppose. You don't know one, but you don't know how can the data analyst can do these things all the time. This is extremely a thing. I mean, oh gosh, I love going out somewhere if rather than doing this. Yeah, all the time. That's really is such a big problem. Okay, we have PK, which is four of them, and three of FK. Right. Four are FK. What are they? They are rate type code. They are section ID, student ID. I can copy and change something. Oh, okay, it's good. I can copy this. Oh my gosh, it's such a big. All right, I feel so success and grace. Change the name. I usually don't play that, but I think I should write the S or so if I need. Oh, is the table rate type? Yeah, I think it's correct. Next, I have to add the student ID, which then is student ID, because I think there's no foreign key of student ID, right? All right. And then the final one is called rate co-occurrence, which is numeric 38. All right, copy this. See, Control V. This one is called student ID. This one's also student ID. From students. Is there anything else? All right, the name. All right, read the student. Okay, it's my fault. I cannot do it. Finally, the primary key, which is four of them, constraint, pk grade, primary key, which is four of them. There are section, right? Student, grade code, grade type code, grades, grade code occurrence. All right, almost finished. Completed. Good. Finally, the final table, rate conversion. That is here. Oh, rate point. Fuck, too much. Sorry for my bad behavior. But yeah, I'm tired of the stream. Which is numeric 32. All right. We have max grade and min grade. Which is numeric 3, both. Min grade. All right. Letter grade. Which is a conversion from the grade point to the letter ABCDE. All right. Unique. Varchar 2 is unique. Primary key as well. That's a great. Right. Finish. Okay, it's all of about week 7. Right. Week 6 or 7? Week 6. Right, it's week 6. Oh, a lot of things to do tonight. Until this finish. Just forget these things and come on, coming on to week 7, project 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 for the 5th. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Maybe we cannot actually really appreciate the teachers, but there are too much things to do right now. Oh my gosh. Right, in project 6. All right, next project 7. I think we should. If I wish I could do this faster. The mean grade attribute from the grade table should be given the value of 0 into table grades. Onto column. All right, which is numeric grade. Right. Let's set default 0. All right, next is second, number 2. Grade point from the table grade conversion. Column grade. Okay, also set default 0. All right, complete. Oh my god, why is this always happens? 3. Or the actual formula for able should be. Oh no, it's not this one. Sorry, it's 3. ABC. Oh, so easy. So ABC. Attribute to final grade from table enrollments may only accept values between 1 and 0. What's a table which is called enrollments? And then add constraint which is this range to 0. Validated. Oh, I forgot to validate. But it's check if it's between. So then final grade, right? Final grade between 0 and 100. All right, and then update all value outside this range to 0. How can I do this? Outside this range to 0. Set default, right? And now I will ask ChatGPT because I've not ever seen about this before. Of course, it's not no one. All right. We have to enter column cost. May not accept with add constraint. Which call check again cost check which when the score is greater. Oh. 1 minute. Check again the is called the enrollments, right? Or it does not have the what is for the courses. Yeah, that's it. So it's set only smaller than 2000. If it is all right, then you check if it works. Or it's not. It's too long. In the students, number 4. Oh my gosh. In the students and instructor tables, the allowed values for attribute salutation are this or no value. For instructor, which only for new rows, only be for new rows. Test this. I mean that I have an answer one. We can use it rather than use ChatGPT. It's using the answers that activities needed by notes. Okay, this one is correct. This one's also correct. This one, yeah. Oh, not valid. To check if it's valid later, select from enrollments for final grade in between. Update enrollments, set final grade equals 0. Check and update values if checkoff work. Update enrollments. Oh, I will copy this. Kind of new to me. I have the constraint that not valid and then select star from enrollments where this one upgrade set final grade equals 0 where it is not. Alright. Select start from enrollments where final grade not between. If it's not between updated, set it is 0 when it's greater than 100. Alright. Okay, 3 is all correct. As check salutation in this. Alright. And then not valid. And then update it. And we will valid. Validate. We have validate also auto table enrollments. Validate constraint. Alright. I will call it not valid to make it the same thing, to make it correct way. Okay, it's better to have this thing. Thanks God, there's something. Oh, wait a minute. On the table instructor, table student at constraint salutate is check to check if it's all right. I do not know, but maybe I will see this. It's like staff of instructors with salutation. Onto table instructors get constraint check condition in it if not valid. You will need the validate constraint, right? Right, maybe not. It's still okay. So tired thinking about this. Precision table. Sometimes copying is okay, don't worry myself. It's like we add constraint that not valid. And update it. Alright. Next. In sections table, we constraint on the capacity attribute, but only have values between again, check between. It will be nice now. Call it sections. And then constraint which is called capacity. Check capacity between 10, 10 to 5. All right. Next, 6. In the students table, add the attribute. Okay, auto table create all the table add column. varchar 30, where instructor leaves the training center. All information regarding the instructor should automatically be placed with a new value. Theory section contains FKs in the instructors table. So the thing is that mm, the section contains the instructor ID. So if the instructor leaves, it will contain already all things to know. So it not really doesn't know. It will big problem. We just delete that instructor. So we try to replace it with a new. So obviously I will check the answer. All right. What's this? Oh, ensure only values divisible for 5 accepted. All right. How? And mod. Oh, mod. So divide. This is modulus. It means it calculates x divided by 5 equal to, for instance, 25, the modulus will become 0. I will copy this. All right. Use also the check and the mod in that capacity 5 equal to 0. All right. All right. With the constraint, we can alter it. We just can delete and add it. You drop the constraint and then alter this. Add constraint. Foreign key. Delete set new. So we have to delete the constraint and then we will add that new set new. All right. Okay, I have to open the table sections and delete the constraint, drop the constraint. For me, because is I would say that is constraint of section instructor and then alter table sections and delete the new delete set new, right? What does this mean, delete set new? Delete set new, so the thing is that it will replace automatically with a new value. Okay. When the student is removed, administration, remove allow, delete. I mean, this delete, drop cascade, isn't it? Yeah, is cascade here, list cascade. We have to drop a constraint first and then add the constraint again, but we need to, so if we want to delete someone that who lives permanently, first we have this one, instructors with instructor ID, and it has a intersection. This all have instructor ID with classes section 1, 2, 3. If he goes, all the information about the instructor will be know it will be leaked, but the instructor ID and the section ID as well will be affected. It will leave the lab and the section is still here. So we want to have the nodes replaced. And then to make the node replaced, we have to delete the constraint and add a new constraint which set on delete set no. All right. Or sometimes we have delete cascade to remove all of things, cascade to remove delete all of everything. And the set no will get the set no here, create a no. All right. No. So we delete all the table in Romans, drop the constraint, then new constraint which is references on the cascade. That's what I do. Is in Roman instrument. All right. Next, the create typeways table change the column name is renamed to. So verify, just select star from create type weight. Maybe like on the table on rename column or rename is also okay. Person of final grade to person of final and then select star from create typeways. Copy this. Oh, still not okay. Yeah, on the table, rename column to, yeah, this one rename is also work. I understand it, so just copy this. It's okay for me. Next. Okay. I mean, the session week 6, we do not have the answers, solutions, so I have to do it. It's the big thing to create tables, all of the code. All right, in the same table, create typeways, remove drop lowest. Okay, it's drop, use the drop. It does not link to anything, so it makes sense to drop it without problems. Yeah, just drop. All right. Next, number 11. Check the what is on the instructor tip. Check the IntelliJ database tab. Okay. Okay, we have here FK session instructor. Remove the column instructor ID. Okay, alter table. Oh, we can copy this. Right now, why would we have to do this? All right, just check it. Yeah, and this remember, yeah, because it's a foreign key to another table. So if we delete it, it will affect others. And yeah, difficult with the tool would not suggest to do this, allow us to do this. We must check watch from the foreign key first. If it's linked to and refers to a notable and file, leave it first. Delete that table first. The zip codes table, enter the following row. You see insert to zip codes and then value. This is yeah is the syntax. Zip codes. All right. Values. All right. This one and we return. Oh, also because we need not only need the zip. Let me show you this. This will be right like this zip city. And then we have state. Okay. And then just type in zip is the jar or numeric. It really works and work. Okay, finally the state E. Alright, in this often use the single quote. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Next. Is it oh it's 20 now. Okay, F 12. But I'm sure I will not do this. This one because it's the bit different. I have right a different FK variables new. Course is active. Course no equal 1. Description SQ of beginners cost 500. Alright. Again is insert into. Oh, I can copy this. You have make an example for you. It is like yeah, it will be like this as well. It's okay. Courses call knowledge description cost. None there. Then cases maybe these yes stages cases 15. The first session of the course will be arranged. Attributes to fill in case section A, section no. Instructor, start date, location, GF04. The information is added by you on today's date. Alright. Again, it's insert into values. Nothing much. First name, last name, if you're the host. We have instructor IDs. Mhm. Why we have to add to the instructor first? Because the information from the instructor with the name and the section ID course no section no is basically on the sections. We cannot create the things if it's not actually appeared once in the instructor. Yeah, that's why we have to create this first. If there is no instructor ID in the instructor, so what can section or courses provide the instructor ID? So that's why we need to do this before we add values into the section. Okay, and the date we need to date because it's a string, and then we need to make it to the character to the date format. It's the formatting. All right, it should work now. Already exists. All right. Next, set the registration date default to the current date. Okay, is set default to current date only. Yeah, default current date. It makes sense. Enter table students and then set the default through column is set default to the current date. James Cook is registering as a new student for the Formation Institute. His zip code is explores 4. Where is the Q until today's date? Mhm. All right. We have ID equal 1, first name, last name James E. Cook. Zip is 2000, employer is 4, created date. It should be created by James Cook, and the created date is today, current date. User. Oh, as I write, creates the select store. No student where's here is 4 in Dutch. Yeah, it's registration day, create days, also to date. Right, it's correctly work. Next. Okay, it's 18 also enrolls in both course section today. It will enrolls in enrollments, right? What is the enrollments? Well, I've been shaking. I love you when you crazy. You take on my inhibition. Maybe it's nothing holding me back. You take me places we don't need vacation. Hmm, vacation. Maybe it is not holding me back. Student ID, session ID. I've also the enroll date is today. All right. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Nothing different. It will work, obviously. Oh shit, it's created date. Haha, it's my fault. Due to circumstances, course session will be delayed by 1 week to March 11th and 2023. All right, but into 1 week later, circumstances course session will be delayed to 1 week to March. Hmm. I suggest that we could use update where course session equal one, course no equal one, and then update what? Update the course the start date, current date plus interval 1 week, isn't it? I don't know. Just check and answers. Updates sessions in the sessions, right? I do not remember this. What is it here? Does it have start? Oh, yeah, it has the start date time. That's why. We of course no session. What will we change? Session. Ah, it's session no one. When session no is equal one. Just update the sections and then where the session no is equal one. Update what? Update the start date time is equal to current day plus interval 1 week. I think. Mhm. Set start date time to date or new sessions. Start time plus one. Oh, that's why I think it's much more better. 19. All right. Update sections and set the start date time into start date time plus one when session ID is equal to one. Right? Oh, we will finish these exercises soon. Next 20. James Cook looks in his calendar and notices he's not free that week. So he gets himself signed out game for the course session. Signed out game. So delete him, but he is in the course news session. Is in the student, so we have to drop it correctly in the correct process from session to course into student. Delete enrollments. Ah, enrollments as well. Okay, why we have to get all of this because these are the both primary keys, so only we only delete one if we not work. Obvious. Not know why, but sometimes my laptop is just automatically changing the keyboard. It's extremely annoying, obviously. I hate this. I do not know how to fix. Kind of weird, right? Mhm. Right. Come on. Oh my gosh. I look like this. I don't know why. Oh fuck. What's this? Cannot delete things. I do not know why. Okay, it's still it looks fine now. Next, 21. Get the host results from your training institute. But is with the following instruction delete from I would say that mm, trainings the sessions is here. If I delete the instructor ID, I suppose that we should delete the FK. Is it? What? Just delete it? Nothing works. Okay. Finally, the final task of week 7, application to identity columns. Make sure that the course node in courses because anything always generators and then generates integer generators always. Note foreign keys point to this field. We moving the number by 10 each time. There is a next step after the highest number in the current table. Course no column. This should remain. The type of the column is not yet correct. The current data should remain in the column. Test your statement with the following insert. All right. All right. Oh, I forgot to get the thing which is called um. I need to create add a method called alter table courses. Add um add what I would call it like constraint. Constraint, right? Oh no, an integer as always generated. Why is always work like this? Fuck. Constraints what? If we call I will call this constraint ID. Alright, ID what? Of the course no. And then the course no. Oh, it would not work, obviously. I don't think it will work. Something's different. Alright, on and column course no set data type integer. Oh, set set the type. It also tells us that generates a number. It's not correct. Oh, we should change the type, right? So I forgot this fix. All right, we should autocolumn course known as set data type or just type is okay integer. Auto table courses autocolumn set data type integer course known. Oh, sections first. Courses we could an identity column as always generates number. So there are two foreign key. All right. Mm-hmm. Continued tab sections. Also, the courses the general personal integer. One is prerequisite. One is the course node in the X sections. Also column course node, right? Okay. At the general general integer as always. Generated always. Okay, I have to remember this method. Generated always as identity. Generated always as identity. Start with increment by 10. Alright, start with what and increment with what? Alright, and then select start. Okay, generated always as identity. Start with what, increment by what? We have set data type. Okay, that's it. But finally, I will also have more exercises than last doing, which is exercise 4. Oh my gosh, a lot of things, right? Why does not work? Yes, to work. Okay, it's good. Four. Okay, what's this about? Let's just have passed today already. Oh, wow, combining different type of functions. It's kind of weird to do these exercises. What's this about? Obviously, I've never seen this task. This is the day part or chunk for minutes, always day part minutes. Use a conditional like case with the term or something like that, current term. Oh, so I mean that we have to get these things, the result. Oh my gosh, it's like a difficult thing, I think. How can I do it in SQL? I do not know. Okay, GPT, help me please. Alright. And then if I passed this, only application. Alright. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wait a minute. Holy moly, fuck. It's 25 and plus. Now to return the date and time. Hour now. What's this? Minutes. Oh, we have to calculate as well. Hour now in the okay hour multiplied by 3,600, which is the seconds. That's really, I mean, you should divide that, right? As second. Ah, calculate all of the seconds. Oh, sorry, sorry. Right is like not work. before the class ends. I would say that before the class ends, it is the the timestamp when the class ends and minus by now, obviously. Timestamp add difference. Let me check a minute from now to the timestamp, for instance. There's also no timestamp diff. Minutes. Just check if it works. Oh, it's like syntax logs. As you can see, I've not learned this. So maybe I will not do this task because it's like kind of weird. I think without doing this, who asked my teacher if there's only problems in this. This is not fully something that we have learned. A lot of, problems, right? Maybe it's myself, but yeah, it's kind of weird. They put it far away. Week 9 because there are around 25 exercises before sleeping. Alright, I feel good. No, 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 not. It's alright. I feel okay. It's fine. Next. And there are students who have not registered for any section. Where is the database actually? Modules. Is this file? It's like this is for the classes. Coalesce. Alright, it's not this one. Where is it? I cannot find. Yeah, the administration, so I cannot do this exactly. So just try to answer this. I think. Yes, we can see there's no answer solutions. All right, I have not yet registered. What is the student administration if there's nothing here? I don't know. Just check. Is it ERD? Is this one? Create script DB. Oh, so it's not. Supposed to we need to download this. Not printing. Why? I don't need print. Free essay. Oh, it's here. All right, it works. In the field SA, right? This is to the admin. Wait a minute. Phew. All right, run. All right, it works. Obviously, I feel better now. It will work. Appropriately. Those students who have not yet registered in this section. All right, it works. I love this. To admin, public. Okay, there are 10 tables. I feel it's good. It has this section, the start date. This oh, so it's in enrollment, right? So we can select from the enrollment. We select what? For enrollment. What is the enrollment? We have student ID, section ID, enroll date. There are the students, so just select the student ID. Oh, that means the student. Check the student first. Last year. Is there the name? Students, yeah, it have the first name. Oh, on account. I mean, we can select student first name, so first name from the student, right? First of all, students. All right. Who did not register for any section? This from student is S. First name S dot. Again, why is it look like this every time? Right. And then when we try is called try with the section is E, is 2, all right. S1, S1. Ah, again, terrible thing. I hate this. Oh, it should be Roman, right? The student. I have to write this. Right. Where? This section ID is no. Is there anything in the student? Just check student first. Student is here. A lot of things. A lot of students. Check through the enrollment. Oh, also, well, there are a lot of around more than well, too much. And then check the students. I mean that all of the students in your student ID from ah yeah, I'm doing something wrong. No session is not no. It's not exist. It's not no. It's not exist. Hmm. Why it's always like this? Fuck. I hate this. I'm thinking if there's not anything in this, how do we write that? I mean, in the enrollments, no section this cannot be no. But the student ID in there is no or not. So, all right. E. All right. Not. Hmm. I mean, is right. Try. Just try. First name for the students. Range of enrollments. The student ID. Where the student ID is no. No, it's not no. Yeah, that's why. They don't exist. But still, Rajah is also not working because I show things in the left table. It's kind of difficult for me right now. Just trying to think about this, like how to get things from this. What have I learned today? I've got this. Maybe you can help me if I know what I have learned today. I've got things. We've set SQL for better ways. All right. We have union. All right. Except and intersect. Union. Let's work with this. We only want the students. Oh, it's except. All right. But doing this not correct. Middle of June. But how can I have things which is not? Maybe. Oh, just students. I'm just basically understand. Yeah, that's why. The thing is that really need the student ID which is appeared in the student but not in enrollments. So we like students ID which is from the students, and then except, which is from which is from. Oh gosh, what happens with my eyes? In Romans. Right. Fuck, what is this? Yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's it. Yes, it's correct now. Oh gosh. Okay, I remember what I have learned today. Which courses have no section at all? There's no sections. Check the courses. It has course no. Also, oh, it doesn't have the sections. How about the sections? Does it have the course no? It has the course no. So we just select all the courses from the courses, but course no, sorry, not courses. And oh fuck, gain. Seriously, I hate this. Right. Except from the sections. It's only 80, isn't it? Oh, okay. 430, 450, 30, right? The sections. Personal 430. Oh, there's no 430. That's why it is not working. Oh, yeah, it's working. Provide all students an instructor last name and indicate status in the second column. What is indicate status? I don't know. Well, last name from students. Oh, so if there are students, hmm, so we need to make a case for this case when again, what's this? Look, tired of always fixing things. Oh, do not worry myself. I'm fine. You will. When don't know will it work, but yeah, let's try. Else instructor. Nah, it's not working. Fuck. Yeah, that's what happened here. Is something wrong? What is and else? And then there's the one with and status. I have been told that it will work as this, but it's not. Kind of big problem. All right. I have worked case, but do not know why it was not working. Mhm. Look at the case. Yeah, case. This one can see. Oh, it's still. Oh my gosh, what happened with my laptop? It does not make sense, obviously. All right. Why? You see, there's nothing here. Else also. It's kind of weird. Select comes off from last name. Student, as all names. I mean, we didn't need this. Hey, what is? Guys not understanding what I'm doing. Kind of sleeping right now. I'm falling asleep if it's too difficult. What first names are common among both students and instructors? Among both, so we will just select. All right. Ah, so just union. No. All right. Why I use the case here is really not make sense. I just need to select the last name from the student and have the student as the status. Union all with one from the teachers, instructors. Right. I'm doing the fucking spec things. I'm just making it complicated. What first names are common among both? The thing is that they don't really need to do the case. It's actually like a student and students from a student and one from union to get all of the things. Ah, that's why. That's why I'm doing always making complicated things. Wow, how humans do. Count. For first names are common. Max. I need a max. Max word of what? Oh, the thing that we need to write the first name, but from the max. Max of the count. Oh gosh. I mean the greatest, how does it work with the greatest? Does not have the greatest, right? Let me just check greatest. First name. All right. We show all, not only the greatest, right? Hmm. Oh, what is it means common among both? I mean, is it using join intersex to get the common? Isn't it? I mean, I just wonder what the common means. Is happen? It appears frequently. Just try if it works. It, it really the things. All right, the thing is that I have misunderstand the question. All right, so is cities do both? So just select a city that are intersect between them. Oh my gosh, did I misunderstand the question? Oh gosh, again, both of them working. So we have to find the zip. They have the zip, and then we have to see. I mean, there's like a nested, isn't it? I mean, we need to find a common zip between these two instructors and students. And then we have to get the city and the state. Hmm. Actually, I do not really know how to use this. Right. Select listing city from students join. Listing city from students join instructor listing as student city. And if it intersect, yeah, it support intersect, but it not. It does not, isn't it? Select listing that zip from students, join zip code, and join instructor zip code. All right, just try this. If we can, New York. All right. The thing is, just trying new things. We got a zip from the students and zip code. We move that with the instructors. If they have the same, just try to show you the zip city. All right. I want to show the Z city, Z.state. This one is called. All right. Oh, it works. It looks great now. Sometimes I'm just like doing this. Just use the join. Okay. Prerequisites. Prerequisites. Course no. Prerequisites have like 5 sessions in the course. From courses. But the courses does not have this. Prerequisites. What is prerequisites? It is not here, right? It's not here. It is only courses. At least 5 sessions. So just check the table of sessions. Personal. You have the session ID. Just check the 25. It's it's not here. So check the 100. Uh, yeah, it has a lot of session. Count session ID. Return 5. Mm, Personal. Okay, the thing is that at least 5. Okay, so it's 4. All right, it's here. Okay, I'm 5. This method will count if there is count the session ID and if it's return 4, We will show this answer, right? Which enrollees have evaluations no enrollees? Why is enrollees? Have evaluations not yet happened? Do not know. Yeah, no. Maybe I don't know this because you don't know what is enrollees. These other courses that prerequisites to other courses to which sessions that have not been organized. What kind of difficult to understand question that the prerequisites to other courses which sessions have not been checked the sessions ET. There's or there's no, not about 80 here. Courses ET prerequisites 204 for which session is not yeah, of course not being organized. It has to be organized because in the sessions there's no ET course no AT. Area courses prerequisites to order and check if there is AT here. But I think it's don't. Ah, it's still it is here. So it means that it does not appear in the section, but it appears as a prerequisite in another section or the course. All right. So from courses, join mm, a section here. See this one called S on. All right. And then where S course no is no isn't will work. I mean except right it it appears in it appears in requisite which is working with this. Okay. From the sections. Okay, and the prerequisites. Hmm. Why is no GPT help me please? I'm a bit too tired this night. So maybe I will come soon because think I still need to have to learn it once again because I think I'm not really into this. Where it's not new, yeah, but these courses do not exist in the sections table. Let's try this. All right, it's not working. This is not working. It's not working. Course no. Courses. Try section on a course nowhere. And see prerequisite is not in. Union Orchard give work. Union. It should be accept. All right. Oh, it's my fault. It should be both and the prerequisite and the course. No. All right. I understand. Oh fuck. There's too much things to learn. Except because we need those that is not appeared in the course in the section, but is appeared in the courses. And then that are actually in the prerequisite as well. Okay. I forgot what the requirements of the task. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's maybe it is all for enough for today. Tomorrow on Saturdays I will come back with this application to text and conditional functions. Okay, the thing is that to redo will be the we have this union, right? We have accept from this one, but not this. All right. We have union now to get all of things also the duplicate. We have distinct. All right. Well, the choice is previously how to the having cow. Is now we have accept. Okay. That's all for this week. I suggest tomorrow or maybe on Saturdays I'll continue with the final 22 task. Wow, whoa, too much. I will try my best later. That's all for today. Thank you so much.